Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate operational intelligence with Splunk, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin automating operational intelligence with Splunk, ensure you have Splunk installed on your system. Open the Splunk interface and log in with your credentials. Navigate to the main dashboard to familiarize yourself with the layout. Identify the data sources you wish to monitor for operational intelligence. Click on the Settings tab and select Data from the drop-down menu. Choose Add Data to upload your chosen data sources. Follow the prompts to configure how the data will be ingested into Splunk. Once the data is ingested, go to the search bar. Type relevant search queries to analyze your data in real time. Save your common queries as searches for future use. Next, create a dashboard by selecting the Dashboards option. Click on Create New Dashboard and give it an appropriate name. Add panels to the dashboard by using existing saved searches or new queries. Customize each panel to display the information you need most. Now, set up alerts based on specific conditions within your data. Navigate to the Alerts section and click on Create Alert. Define the conditions that will trigger this alert. Select how you'd like to be notified when the alert conditions are met. Schedule regular reports to automate updates on your operational intelligence. Go to the Reports section and choose Create Report. Set the parameters for your report, including frequency and delivery method. Finally, review and optimize your dashboard and alerts as necessary. Continually refine your queries to enhance the insights generated from your operational intelligence. By following these steps, you'll be able to automate operational intelligence effectively using Splunk. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.